Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Florida. First, you must establish residency, meaning one party has lived in Florida for at least 6 months before filing. Next, determine if your divorce is uncontested, where both parties agree on all terms, or contested, requiring court intervention. Gathering all financial documents, like bank statements and tax returns, is a crucial initial step to prepare for the process ahead. Once you have gathered your documents, the next step is to complete the necessary forms. Florida provides specific forms for different types of divorce, such as simplified dissolution or regular dissolution. Carefully fill out each form, ensuring all information is accurate and signed where required. Finally, you will file your completed petition and other initial documents with the clerk of the circuit court in the county where you reside. After filing, your spouse must be legally served with the divorce papers. This formal notification ensures they are aware of the proceedings. Once served, your spouse has 20 days to file a written response with the court. If there are disagreements on issues like property division or child custody, mediation can be a very effective way to reach a mutual agreement outside of court, saving time and resources. The final stage involves attending any necessary court hearings or completing mediation. If you have reached a full agreement, you will present a marital settlement agreement to the judge. The judge will review all documents and, if everything is in order and fair, will issue a final judgment of dissolution of marriage. This official document legally ends your marriage, allowing both parties to move forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.